Hi, this is Colin from Watch Off the Cuff. It is March 28th, 2026, sort of a few days early for a March 2026 update, as I've done the last couple of months. But enough stuff had happened, and I figured I'd let you know we've got some new items and some stuff back in stock. So here we are. Maybe I'll call this March update. Regardless, I don't know. I'll figure that out after. Anyway, okay, so let's jump right into it. New things. So brand new to the store. Several people had asked, and I brought them in for them. I think I'd bring an extra is tweezers. So if you wanted a double O thick, I mean very, very heavy duty set of tweezers that I've just brought this in, so this is available on the store now. This is the Horatec MSA 12.300-00. It's a 00 profile. And I don't know whether it's going to show up well enough in the video. These are bruisers, but if you're doing something where you need the precision of the tweezer, but are going to like really pry at something, maybe pressing on cannon pinions or whatever, this is a bruiser. This is amazing. So now I know why people ask for it. It was funny. Somebody reached out and asked for it. I said, sure. And then like the next week, somebody asked for the exact same one. So anyway, so that is the new tweezer that I have in stock on the store. And then I also have another profile. I have like the number 1 version of this, and I have the 27 version of this, like the number 27. Anyway, I also now have the MSA 12.302-2 profile, which is sort of in between a straight tweezer and then a heavily tapered tweezer. So those are there, if you can see that profile. So that is also in stock in the store right now. Okay, also brand new. Okay, it's like, okay, I got tweezers before. Okay, yeah, whatever. Okay, so more exciting is I now have 5-sided conical cutting broaches in stock, which one are they? This is the smoothing broaches. So these are 5-sided cutting broaches. The part number for this is MSA 02.150. This ranges from 0.6 millimeters up to 2 millimeters. I also have a smaller size of cutting broaches on the way. They're just taking time to come in from Switzerland. And those ones are 0.05 to 0.55. So it's basically the set below here. So if you wanted to run from 0.05 all the way up to a 2 millimeter and have it range, those two sets will do it. This one is currently in stock. And also, after you've reamed out whatever you're reaming and it's looking a little ragged, we've got smoothing broaches, and this part number is MSA 02.221. And it runs from 0.4 to 1.4 millimeters on here. So to give you an idea, because I wrote down the prices, this is $40.75. This is $44.50 Canadian on the site as we speak. So anyway, got those in stock. What else is brand new? Oh, I just brought in this from Horatec. So this is their like third-hand vise. I previously had a version where, it has an anchor here to put a screwdriver bit. So if you have a screwdriver bracelet that you need to hold, have a screwdriver blade hold into the bottom and then be able to unscrew the top since it's screwed from both sides. This is like the ultimate tool for that. So also, if you are just running into things where you need to like hold a bracelet and like you can't use a regular vise, this has got the plastic jaws on the inside, so it's meant to hold something a little more fragile. So if you currently have, like, for example, I have a pan of vise that I use if I'm doing stuff on the bench, for example, and I upgraded it with brass jaws because I didn't want to mar anything. But this would be if you're doing like bracelet stuff. I wouldn't put a bracelet in that thing, Anyway, sometimes I'd put like paper sleeves and try to but anyway, this is a great alternative. $475 for this guy. It's got 4 different screwdriver bits to go in the bottom. Nice, like holding containers for the bits and bobs. Anyway, that's brand new. Never had that in the store before. Okay, so we get that out of here. Okay. What else? Oh, and I did do a full video on it, so if you want to talk about or understand about exactly the depth of what I've got in the crystal assortments, I now have crystal assortments in stock. There's typically 200 of these in a piece, mineral crystals, round profile in 1 millimeter depth, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and 3 millimeters. If you are doing a lot of crystal replacements, that is 100% like the way to go if you're doing that kind of repair work day in, day out. And it saves you from trying to like buy what you think the right one is, and then only to find out you really wish you had something like 0.1 bigger, 0.1 smaller millimeters to make the right fit. And, and there's a whole thing about that. I have an in-depth video with that. I won't talk about that anymore. Okay. That is all the new stuff. Back in stock. So I started bringing in not that long ago individual aluminum screwdrivers from Hortec. They're $17.25. And I have people that are like, buying smaller sets, like for example, like the 8-piece that's similar to this one, the steel version, although this is like the 12 Big Mama one. I've got the 10-piece aluminum that is very popular. But if there's something that you're missing and you're like, well, I don't need to like, get a whole other set, these are great. A common one people get is 1.6 if you don't have it, because that's like a typical bracelet screw for like Omega or Rolex or whatever. Or just if like you're like, oh, I've got a great set, but I don't have a 0.5 and I'm working on like some ladies move from the 50s. It's absolutely tiny. Although I think most Hamiltons from the 60s, the screw heads are 0.6 millimeter. But regardless, you might get something you're like, I just don't have a screwdriver small enough. $17.25 Canadian. I can solve your problem. Anyway, so those are in. I brought some of them in and then I sold out a whole bunch. So I brought in a whole bunch more. Anyway, so, and this time in higher quantities. So hopefully, I just hate it when people come to the store and then they're looking to buy something and it's sold out. Anyway, it drives me crazy. Okay, so on that drive me crazy bit, I was having a bit of a backlog on the lubricants, which has been solved. And then I had a mass run on the 4-piece oilers that make up that bundle. And I now have these back in stock. I mean, a whole bunch of these in stock. So that's $15.55 if you're looking for the 4-piece oiler set from Hortec. That's MSA 17.001-04. I'll try to put all this description stuff in the description of the video. But so those are stock. Now, because these are in stock again, you can go and get the do the 10% savings on the lubrication bundle if you're looking to do that, because since I was missing this one piece, it wouldn't roll up into the bundle. So that is now available again. Okay, so got that. Okay, next. Fairly new. I probably brought these in maybe 3 or 4 months ago first time. This is the groove tray for your bench, MSA 24.222. These are back in stock. I bought some. So anyway, they're available. Just if this is, I got mine here. This is an old one. I'm thinking, so there's my tray, and it just prevents everything rolling around, especially like pegwood and like a pin vise, like it doesn't roll around, and like a 7010 Bergeron Pro, but just anything that's round, it's just nice to put on there. I put my tweezers on there too, but anyway, I have an old one and it's kind of like ratty. It wasn't a really great one. It got the job done. I'm maybe today I might just take one of these for myself. Anyway, we'll see. If I do take it for myself, I'll do a video on it and we can see how nice it really is. Anyway, from the packaging, it looks amazing. Anyway, people are liking, they're buying them. So got that. That's back in stock. Next is the Pin Press 10500. So this was out of stock. It is now in stock again. You've got your bracelet block below and then a whole bunch of attachments, whatever. And then because you've got the guide and if you're concerned about like making a slip up and you're trying to drive out bracelet pins or whatever, this really tightens things up for you. So that's back in stock. And people buy it. It's great. This is $415 Canadian. If you're like, okay, I don't need to do that just to put out pins, but I want the nice driver, you could do something like this, which is the MSA 10.510. This also sold out. This is $84.60 Canadian, so much. It's got a nice wood tray. You can put the holder in the front there, and it can handle all your various pin diameters there for things. So that's a nice way, especially if you like it just at the side of your desk and you just don't want everything rolling around. That's a nice alternative to that. At $84.60, it did that. Oh, and I didn't say the price on the groove tray was $37.45. So that's it. So a lot of things have been caught up in the shop in terms of online stuff. So I think that covers it for now. There's our end of March / April update. As always, thanks so much for reaching out. Those great 00 profile steel tweezers was because somebody reached out to me and said, hey, you know what? Like, why don't you have this? This is a great thing. And it's amazing. I can't tell you how many times people have reached out and said, I'm looking for this. Like, the demand helps me figure out what I'm going to bring in. I have vast resources in terms of availability to import this stuff from Switzerland. It's just the amount of stuff. I think that's the great thing about watches. And you can go down a rabbit hole either on the tooling or the fixing things. And it's just, anyway, it's a fantastic, anyway, I'm preaching to the choir. Anyway, same thing with the brooches. Somebody was like, really, like you don't have like cutting brooches? What? I'm like, yeah, why don't I have cutting brooches? That's so dumb. Anyway, sometimes I forget, like I already have cutting brooches sets, and anyway, you don't hear my whole story, but from when I was doing it full time for 2 years, and in this very place here, a lot of these things I acquired over time, and then just moved on and never think about it. And then when something comes up, you're like, oh my god, if, like, I mean, if like a month ago I was like, oh my god, I need a cutting brooch, and I didn't have one, I'd be like, eureka, why don't I have it on the store? Anyway, I'm just ranting. Uh, Thanks for reaching. I love it when people reach out and ask if they can find something, or even just advice if they're trying to make a decision between this set of screwdrivers, that set of screwdrivers, or anything at all, or tweezers or whatever. Anyway, I love talking with people about it. That is it. Thanks again, and we will talk soon. Cheers.